This is Dave with Scale and Control. Today we're going to show you our WLS430 static wheel loader forklift scale. This is a great product for its price. In front of us you'll see we have a bucket count. Here I can accumulate, I can subtract weight, I can clear information, I can zero out weight. This is the settings and this is our camera. So each of these buttons you simply press to use the scale. So we're going to go ahead. Right now I've got my scale. We zeroed it out. We're gonna go pick up some weight. I'm gonna accumulate that weight. I've got a bucket count of 1. We'll add a little more weight. If I wanted to go ahead and zero out what's in my bucket, I would do that. If I want to clear the whole screen, I would hit the C button. It's really simple to use. Over here, I've got my settings button. I can set my backlight, so all of these buttons are all backlit. If you're working in the dark, near dark, this is set at 100. I can change the illumination. Set the backlight. I've got a stability key. Units can be 1 pounds, tons, kilograms, tonnes, etc. Here I've got different voltages and pressures that diagnostics would use, our tech support guys. When you do your calibration, I've got set zero pressure. So in a typical load calibration, bucket on the ground, you would put a 0 in there for 0 weight. We recommend that you bring the boom up to at least 3 foot to the hinge pin of the bucket, and you use that as your waypoint and as your calibration point, so you've built up enough pressure. So with 0 weight in here, I would lift the bucket up to the 3 feet. I would go ahead, hit set. I've done my empty calibration. I would put the bucket back on the ground, and then I would get a known weight. We recommend that you try to use a material similar to what you would generally load. If you can't access an in-ground scale to get a known load weight, sandbags make a really nice alternative. On the screen, we've got 10,000 pound set. We just did a backhoe the other day for a customer. We had 1,680 pounds as our known weight. You put your known weight in with the bucket on the ground, you lift up to that hinge pin. Once you're at that point, you hit set. Your calibration is complete. The complete installation time for the scale should take you right around an hour 15 minutes. Really straightforward. I'm going to go ahead and get back to the main screen. Again, I lift some weight, add it, zero out my bucket, clear my screen. Easy scale to use. If I had the backup camera installed, you could toggle between a backup camera and the load screen. We sell affordable backup cameras with the scale. The screen is high resolution. This is an IP67 washdown rated display. Phenomenal value for $1,350. Love to have you as a customer. Give us a call.